Hey, what's up guys? Today we are looking at this shoulder chest sling bag. It goes over like this. Let's stand up, maybe kind of see it better. Okay, so this is kind of weird because, it's kind of weird because I bought this from Amazon and it has the branding Lixada, Lixada, but on the tag it says OSOCE, OSOCE, and this is the product of certification. Let me read the tag here. Let me take this off. So we are committed to, if you have any quality problems within 3 years, you can renew them for free. Share your product experience on Amazon and get a 15% discount coupon. But it's kind of weird because the tag says something different to the description, which is very weird. Okay, so the Lixado sling chest bag, it's for outdoor sport, travel, hiking, anti-theft, crossbody shoulder pack. It is lightweight, it has multiple pockets, one zipped main compartment. It says it can fit a 7.9-inch tablet, a 6-inch smartphone. Yeah, I have one of those. Two front pockets for your wallet, keys, credit cards, passport, anti-theft design. Comfortable. Yeah, it's comfortable because it kind of rests along your body and there's very little movement. It's safe and it has a reflective strip. Right here where you can put your sunglasses or glasses, and it's widely used. So the dimensions are 31 by 20 by 1 centimeters and it is 190 grams. So this strap is fully adjustable, like so. You can release it, make it longer. And this is actually the shortest, which I find the most comfortable, like so. I find this most comfortable. I usually wear it somewhere around here. If you notice, it wraps around the body. It's quite nice. You can have it up here, or you can actually have it behind you like so, which is all good. So the first compartment is your phone. So that's on the top here. So you can fit your phone into here. My Samsung Note 10 Plus fits here with no problems. And there's a magnetic clip, which is quite handy. If it works, there you go. So you can fit your phone in there. Then on the front, there's 2 pockets here. These are quite small. Like I can only fit this much of my hand in there. It's quite small. These 2 pockets up front are best for holding small items. And then the main compartment, this is where they say that the tablet, you can hold it in. There's an extra compartment in here, I guess, to hold the tablet itself. Try my Amazon, what's this, the Fire 7? Yeah, it fits there comfortably with some more extra room in there as well. So something of this size will fit in there, no problem. So I'm gonna start packing this with the stuff that I usually use. So I put anything flat I have into the front compartment. So like my pen, dog training stuff, dog poop bags, my lip balm, and yeah, that's all I'll put into there. For the next compartment, which is the middle one, I have some phone tools, some cables and stuff, antibacterial gel, and that's that. Then for the phone pocket, I just put my phone. And then for the main compartment, I put my card wallet. Mine is quite thick. It's not one of those metal clip wallets, so it is quite thick. But I do like to carry cash and stuff around. What you gotta be careful is try not to get the there's an extra pocket in here, kind of flaps around. Try not to get that. And then I have first set of keys, second set of keys, and then my mask. And if you notice, it's kind of, it's not flat anyway. It has this much space, but when I stand up, this kind of juts out. What I'll do is I'll wear some clothes over this, so it's supposed to be hidden. But if you wear it in front of you, it's fine. A cool thing that I forgot to mention is that there is this clasp that you can actually unhook it quite fast, because sometimes you'll have your clothes on or your jacket on and you just want to unhook it. You can unhook it quite easily, and you can wear this on the back like so, and it's not too bad. It definitely is good for preventing thieves, because you know it's quite close to your body. I wear quite high. I presume you can wear it a little bit lower and adjust it to a position that's nicer for you. Just lower it a little bit, but I like it just below my rib cage, and it's very comfortable there. I have access to my pockets. Access is very easy to open and close. You can get this in right or left-handed, but this one goes to, this is my left side, so I guess it's for right-handed people. So you know, you can but it wouldn't matter which side if I were to buy it. But just be careful that when you choose, you have to choose depending on which hand is your dominant hand. All right, so what I'll do is I'll show you what it looks like with clothes on. Welcome back, guys. So I've put on my hoodie to conceal it, and I think you can see that which way it's jutting out. Yeah, so you can see that it juts out quite a bit on this side. But if I have it, so just to show you, it does jut out quite a bit. But if I have it in my front, it's not so bad. It's not as bad. It's still kind of noticeable, but it's not as bad. So if you're a minimalist, I guess this would be the best. If you don't put any bulky stuff. I presume this would get quite heavy if you put in a tablet. But it's not too bad. I'm going to swing it to the back just to show. I think the back position is the most comfortable. Like you have a lot more free space around here. So around the back is not too bad. And just to show you, if I want to keep my hoodie on, I want to take this off. Instead of taking my hoodie off, I just... Okay, this is not as easy as before, but it's anti-theft. So you just unclasp it, just loosen up the, oh, it's caught. And there you have it, it's free. Okay, so let's go over the pros and cons of this bag. So the pros is that it's a lot better than a bum bag or a fanny pack, because it's like a belt, but this one kind of sits under your shoulder. You can have it at the back, but it sticks to the body a lot better, and there's more, I guess, mass that's spread out, so it doesn't flap around as much. You can put a lot of stuff in here. You can put a tablet if you wanted to, so you can really pack this in. It's the shoulder release thing is really convenient. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets, which is really handy. You can get it in a couple of different colors. I prefer blacks, but you can get it in gray and I think a navy or a blue, which is pretty cool. Everything is quite solidly made. There's no factory faults where the threading is all over the place or whatnot. It's breathable. It's actually waterproof to a certain extent. Like I've had bits of water drop onto this and it doesn't soak in. So it is, you'll be okay going out in the rain with this, or if you're a heavy sweater. should be fine. Yeah, I carry this around with me all the time. Instead of just stuffing my pockets full of stuff, just have this nice and handy. Okay, let's go over the cons. The cons is that if you pack this in, it can become quite bulky, and it can, when you're putting on your clothes, it can protrude quite a bit. So the best things to put in this are flat things. If you notice, it's like a handbag, because of my wallet is quite bulky. It definitely packs it in. And if you do put a lot of stuff in there, you can feel it when you're moving around, walking and stuff. So the best way to use this would be to, you know, try to go minimalistic. If you have one of those clip wallets, or, you know, those really flat wallets. Yeah, that's the only fault that I can think about it. So, oh, another pro is the value for money. I think it was about £15 or less on Amazon. It is very cheap for, you know, a very functional bag. This would be perfect to go if you're going traveling and you need to stick your passport and, you know, your driver's license, ID, stuff like that, and just have it there on your body at all times, instead of, you know, having to get your stuff out of the suitcase and whatnot. You just have it in this nice handy bag. Yeah, it's good. Another pro is that it's good for anti-theft. If you have this, like, nobody's gonna come in front of you and steal this off you unless they wanna, you know, pry it from you, which pickpockets usually wouldn't do. These zips are very durable. There's this little clip for your sunglasses. I don't buy sunglasses, but you can clip your sunglasses on. That's another pro. I think that's it. If you need something nice, portable, and very convenient for travel, I'd go for this bag. So if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.